With the name of Allah, the most kind and most merciful. I, Muhammad Qasim, student of BSCS, registration number FAL 17 BCS 005, will talk about ancient civilization of Hindu Shahis, Gandhara civilization, Takht Babri, and Dulmial Gun in Chakwal city. Chakwal district is known as home of soldiers not only after partition, present Pakistan, but also before partition. Chakwal city is ancient city with the remains of many civilizations. Kitas Raj. The Kitas houses the Satgara, a group of 7 ancient temples, remains of Buddhist stupa, and many other temples. The Kitas Raj temples are also known as Kilai Kitas, is a complex of several Hindu temples connected to one another by walkways. The temple complex surrounds a pond named Kitas, which is regarded as sacred by Hindus. The temple pond is in the Puranas to have been created from the teardrops of Shiva. After, the wandered, After he wandered the earth inconsolable after the death of his wife Sati. Hindu tradition holds that the temples dated from the era of Mahabharata and is believed to be the where the Pandava brothers spent a large portion of their exile. The temples are considered to be the second most sacred site in the historic Punjab region after the temple at Jawalamukhi in modern Himachal Pradesh. The temple derived their holiness from the largest that following the death of his wife Sati, the Hindu god Shiva wandered inconsolably while some of his tears collected in 2 ponds, one of which is the pond around the Kitas Raj temple are set, while the other is at Pushkar near Ajmer. The pond in the Hindu complex is believed by Hindus to be filled with the Shiva's tear after the death of his wife Sati. The water in the is of high clarity. The waters and are believed to wash one of one's own sins as the pond is associated with Shiva. This is the sacred pond of Kitas and is believed to be that it can wash out one's sins. Satgara Temple. Satgara Temple are the house of 7 temples and it is clear by its name. It is 7 stories and every story consists of one temple. This is the interior of the some temples, Ramchandra temple. This is the Shivling and this is considered by Hindus that this is the handmade Shivling by Krishna. Stupa remains. The 4th century CE Chinese monk Faxian described a temple at Kitas Raj in his travelogues. The 7th century CE Chinese traveler Zhuangzang visited the area and reported the existence of a Buddhist stupa dating the era of 3rd century BCE King Ashoka. The stupa was reported to 200 feet tall and surrounded by 10 springs following the collapse of the Buddhist empire of Gandhara. Hinduism gained traction in the region under the reign of Hindu Shahis beginning around the 7th century CE. The Hindu Shahis established Hindu temples at Kitas Raj from the mid 7th to 10th centuries through the British engineer Alexander dated the shrines to around 66 BCE. The Hindu Shahi Empire also founded construction of several other temples throughout northern Punjab. The stupa remains of Gandhara civilization have clear link with the Gandhara civilization of Texla and this is of same era. Kalar Kahar. Kalar Kahar is very popular because of its lake and because it is near to M2. Most of part of M2 crosses through Kalar Kahar. But the most popular thing in Kalar Kahar city and its link with ancient civilization is the throne of Babur, Takht Babri. Takht Babri is a tourist destination in Kalar Kahar, Chakwal district in Punjab, Pakistan. It is located 25 kilometers away. Southwest of Chakwal along the motorway, Takht Babri is a flat stage and throne cut out of stone by the first Mughal Emperor King Babur to address his army while coming down from Kabul in the quest of the crown of Delhi. Dulmial Gun. Dulmial is known as the home of gunners. Dulmial is the known of the home of the gunners and this gun was awarded to Dulmial in recognition of service rendered by all ranks from this village during and prior to First Great War 1914-1919. In First Great War, number of soldiers went from Dulmial to participate under the cap of British, and this is the most number of soldiers from any village. To, that's why the gun was brought from Jhelum and placed here under the supervision of Captain Ghulam Muhammad. Dulmial is known as the home of gunners because the number of soldiers participated in World War I and World War II, and that's why the gun was awarded. I hope I I hope my video was clear for you. Thank you very much.